Hello, Nick here from TechNuovo and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Lindy Port Blockers. It's a very simple idea that's been well executed, and I can see these little things being used by the masses. Lindy have designed a number of port blockers for your PC, laptop, tablet or server. Basically anything with a USB or Ethernet port can be blocked and access restricted. Lindy currently offer 4 different port blockers, including USB type A and C, RJ45 and SD card. They come in a variety of colours, so you can assign the colours to different appliances or different ports, etc. You can purchase a pack of 4 locks and 1 key tool for £20, with add-on packs of blockers in 10s or 20s for between £15 and £20 a pack. Installing the blocker couldn't be easier. It's just a case of applying a blocker to the tool and then carefully inserting it into the port. Once in, push the button on top of the tool to secure the blocker in place, remove the tool and voila! The blockers sit flush or within the port itself, depending on which device you're fixing it to. As you can see from my laptop, the blockers sat within the port, which meant there was no way of me easily pulling the blocker out with my fingers. I did gently try and remove the blocker with a pair of pliers and a screwdriver, but had no luck, although I'm sure if you put enough force into it, you may have success in removing the blocker, but it's almost certain you'll damage the port in doing so. It's such a simple idea, and in the domestic market, I don't think these will be that popular unless you install them for aesthetic reasons or you have children you want to restrict. However, in the commercial market, large offices, schools, hospitals and other public places, this is a simple solution to a real problem, and it has huge potential. I was just speaking to the IT guy at work the other day, and he absolutely loved the idea, especially in a network switch to avoid random new connections. Thank you for checking out this video of the Lindy Port Blockers. If you enjoyed it, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all our tech and gaming videos, and let us know in the comments below of what you think about these port blockers. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.